Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Aries. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect in the relationship, in your relationship. Let's see ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Aries, please. From the Message of Love Oracle deck. Kuha tayo a few cards. Merong daydreaming, I am always longing for you. Okay? Merong taong nag-iisip sa inyo, iniisip ka palagi, okay? Nagde-daydream. Indecisive, I know my inability to make a decision hurts you. Okay? Yeah. Someone is decisive, parang hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin sa relationship ninyo, anong plans niya sa'yo, anong action ang gagawin. Unworthy, you are a better person than I am. Okay? May insecurity problem ba ito? Yung person ninyo? Okay? Or yung relationship itself? Reflection. Being away from you has allowed me to gain clarity. Okay? May mga realization yung person ninyo? Or is this you, Aries? Okay? Nagkaroon siya ng clarity. Okay? Kung ano sana ang kanyang ginawa o kung ano yung tamang desisyon or approach sa inyo or towards the relationship. Okay? But this person, hindi kanya nakakalimutan. Lagi kang nasa isip kahit magkalayo na kayo or wala na kayo, Aries. Yeah. Let's see from the Lover Oracle. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Aries, please, Aries? It hurts so much. It hurts so much. Okay. I cannot express myself. You are so different from everyone around me. Okay. May malaking admiration yung taong ito sa'yo, Aries. Okay. But he or she cannot express kung ano yung nararamdaman niya, anong feelings niya sa inyo. Aries, may gusto siyang sabihin pero natatameme, okay? Don't wait for me, please. That is for some of you. Okay. Tingnan natin ano yung messages from the tarot. For Aries. For Aries, please. Love and romance. Ano yung mga messages for Aries? Okay. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are dealing with a Leo. Okay? Or Libra. Air sign Leo. Or air sign Libra. Okay. Bottom of the deck, the Chariot. Okay, someone wants you, Aries. Gusto kanyang puntahan, gusto kanyang bisitahin, okay? Gusto kanya. And it seems na gagawin niya ang lahat para makita ka or makausap ka. He or she wants to win you. Yeah. But you are focusing on your coins, on your money. Pero nag-iisip din yung person mo kung paano ka puntahan. Okay. Yeah. Knight of Wands. Yes. Determinado. Interesado siya sa inyo, Aries. Okay. So, your person wants to be with you. Definitely. Parang ikaw yung nagkukumpleto sa kanya, nagpapasaya. Okay. Willing siyang gawin or baguhin yung sarili niya para sa inyo. Kung meron man kayong mga differences before, maybe you are dealing with an ex. Okay, with a person na magkalayo kayo. Okay, or maybe in separation. Okay. In separation, maybe physically or emotionally. Okay. Yes, nag-iisip siya. Nag-overthink or palagi kanyang iniisip. Parang magulo din yung utak or yung isip ng taong ito, Aries. Yeah. Gagawin ko ba to or hindi? Gusto ko ba siya or gusto ko yung isa? Okay? Aries? Yeah, it seems that this person parang hindi niya talaga alam kung anong gusto niya, no? Aries, okay? But yung intention niya sa inyo ay gusto niya lang okay yung relationship, okay yung pakikisama, okay? Or mapatawad mo siya kung meron man siyang pagkakamali sa inyo before. Gusto niyang ayusin, okay? Kahit friendship man lang. This is for some of you. Okay, just take what resonates for you, Aries. Yeah. But now, everything is clear for you, Aries, about the situation. You wish that this person is happy and successful. Okay, somehow. Or kung saan man itong person na to, you wish or maybe naiisip mo or may alam ka that this person is masaya na or independent, okay? Maayos ang narating sa buhay. Maayos ang kanyang status, yung current status niya. Okay? Na-enjoy ang independence or enjoying a relationship with someone. Maybe your person is dealing with a Leo or a fire sign. Just like you, fire sign. Okay? Tingnan natin ano yung messages. Ano yung Four of Wands, please. Four of Wands, yeah. Knight of Wands. Yeah, your person really wants to go with you, okay? He wants to go towards you. Gusto niya makipagkita. Gusto niya gumawa ng aksyon para mapalapit sa inyo. Okay? Mag-enjoy. Maybe he's going to invite you for a party or lumabas and share kung ano yung mga accomplishments niya. Okay? Maybe you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries. Yeah. Maybe this person, parang obsessed siya sa inyo. Lagi kanyang naiisip, okay? Kahit magkalayo kayo. Parang pinipigilan niya lang yung sarili niya, okay? Aries. Yeah. Kinokontrol, tinitame niya ang sarili niya, yung obsession niya sa inyo. Pero gusto-gusto ka niya physically wise. Okay. He or she wants to enjoy the time with you. Yeah. Yes, so fast. Yeah, parang nag-iisip siya kung anong approach ang gagawin para sa inyo. Anong approach? Parang stress na rin siya, okay? Because he or she knows na parang you're a strong person. Meron kang self-control, okay? Yes. Nahihirapan siya sa inyo siguro, Aries, because you are not that accommodating sa kanya. Okay? And kung ano-ano na yung mga nasa isip niya, feeling niya hindi mo siya gusto. Yes. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, you feel that this person is successful also sa kanyang ginagawa, sa work niya. You also feel that this person, kung mag-offer man ng commitment, parang ang bagal niya kumilos, okay? That is for some of you. Yeah, you know that this person is taking his or her time also. Nai-approach ka. Okay. Yeah. Alam mong gusto ka ng person na to, Aries, okay? Pero for you also, nababagalan ka din sa kanyang action. Yeah, but this person is also attractive. Okay? Parang head turner. The person is also hardworking. Okay? Yeah. You feel that this person, parang yung challenge is he or she fails to express kung ano yung tunay niyang nararamdaman sa inyo. Because you want this person to express kung ano yung plans na sa inyo. Gusto mong marinig sa kanya na mahal ka niya. Okay? But this person, maybe medyo ano lang, it's more on his or her head. Okay? Parang ma-mental itong taong ito. Yeah. Parang this person is not proactive. Or parang lahat nakaplanado. Okay? And laging nag-iisip ng situation. That's why may mga delays. Okay? Yeah. Parang may kailangan pang i-prove yung taong ito sa inyo. And kailangan din ng person na to, you feel that this person, kailangan niya i-make up yung mind niya. Paano talaga yung plans? Okay. Maybe also this person, meron din siyang mga inaalala or marami din siyang obligations. Okay. A mother is involved in the situation. Maybe Aries, you want this person to live with you. Maybe my plans of moving in together. Okay, this is for some of you. But then my problem, my blockage, maybe a mother on his side. His or her side, okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, yan yung naging problema sa inyong sitwasyon. This 8 of Cups, okay. 3 of Cups. Okay. Merong pag-uusap. But things will move forward between you two. Okay, merong pag-uusap, there will be celebrations, ikaw may mga common friends kayo, you will be going out with them. Okay. For some of you, magkakaroon ng improvement once masettle, magkaroon ng clarity about the situation. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, maybe this person will come to visit you. Okay. Mayroong pag-uusap. Things will move forward. Okay. Getaways. Yeah. You need some time to take a break, Aries. Okay? And kailangan pag-isipan about yung love situation ninyo. Kung may mga unhealthy habits or behavior about the relationship, stay away from it. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, kung meron mang ego problem about the situation, okay? Think about a different perspective. Yeah. And be open sa mga possibilities or circumstances na dumadating sa inyo. Okay, Aries? Maybe you will kailangan mong bigyan, baka kailangan mong bigyan ng chance itong person na to. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, maybe this person, for some of you, will be offering you na magsama kayong dalawa, okay? And this is something that will make you happy. moving in together. Okay? And that will give you the chance na makipag-usap sa kanya. And then, bibigyan mo rin siya ng chance sa life mo. If you have control issues with your feelings of your situation, maybe it's time to let it go and be open or embrace possibilities, Aries. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin ano pa yung messages from for Aries, please. Aries. Forgiveness. Stop focusing your energy on past events, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream, and imagine. Okay, that's for you. Yes, open to possibilities, giving chance to a person after some clarity with this person. Okay. Balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. Okay. Yes. Freedom. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. Okay. So, pag-isipan ng mabuti. For some of you, kailangan maging open-minded to the situation, Aries. It's up to you. It depends on your situation, okay? Thank you so much, Aries, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!